So lonely, that's okay. Shake my head, and I'm not sad. And just maybe I'm to blame for all I've heard. And I'm not sure. I'm so excited, I can't wait to meet you there. And I don't care, I'm so horny. That's okay, my will is good. Yeah!